Okay, so let's say you have a project that you want to get done as soon as possible and you don't want to take your time color grading everything. So I have a solution. Roll the intro. What's up everyone? I'm Joe. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make photography videos, editing, and if you're not, welcome back. It's been a long time, yeah, I know. I had some projects here and there, but hopefully we're back on track. I'm not gonna promise you a lot of videos, but I'll do my best. We can start with the basic stuff, like, you know, some small things in the editing software, some basic tutorials. I'm also gonna provide you with a free LUT. It's a preset for your coloring. You can find it in the description below. It's free to download. You can use it anywhere. Enough talking. Let me show you what I got here. I have two types of footage. The first one is shot on this camera and it has this log color profile. So let me explain to you something very fast. So if you have log footage, you'll see that editing it is very versatile. You'll have a lot of flexibility. You can adjust many things. You can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube how you can install a log color profile on your camera. And I also have just a regular footage. I had this old camcorder that doesn't record log and it's crappy. I don't have a second camera. I tried to use my phone, but the storage was full. And so as you can see, it does not have this flat look. It's like the colors are very vibrant. And we cannot talk about the quality, I know. It's just bear with me. So if you have some footage that doesn't have log, I'll show you also how you can color grade it really fast. So let's get down to it. The first thing we're gonna do, let's start coloring the log footage. I'll do this as fast as I can. So when you import your footage into Premiere, the first thing you wanna do is head to the color tab up there and you'll see that Lumetri color will open on the right. Now what we're gonna do is some basic tweaks. And so once I have the base that I want, let's say you have other shots that have the same lighting condition and the same spot and everything. I want to save the settings. Let me add the LUT. Okay, so I imported this LUT. Now you can be done here, but I'd rather do some small tweaks and adjustments just to get it right. And so yeah, that's it. I want this look to be all over the other videos that have been shot in the same scene. And so now we're done with the Lumetri panel. You're gonna come to your effect controls. It will be on the top left panel. And you're gonna look for your Lumetri. It's over here. You can see the before and after. There's really some difference here. Now you're gonna right click on this and save preset. You can call it whatever you want. Just make sure that you stay organized, otherwise you might lose it in between other files. Studio color grading. So this could be my standard preset if I always shoot in the same condition. That way I don't have to color grade every time over and over again. Let's say we have another footage. I'm just gonna remove the preset from this one. And consider this one is another footage that has the same light condition. Now you're gonna go into your effects panel that is on the bottom left. You're gonna open this preset folder. You're gonna have your preset. You can do this also with other things, not just with coloring, which is really good. And you're just gonna drag and drop it onto your clip. Okay, now so let's say you want to add the same color, the same mood onto the other footage. So we're gonna stay on the color panel and I'll show you the way of using the adjustment layer. So you're gonna come back to the effects panel where you've been. You're gonna scroll with your mouse wheel all the way to the project panel where you have your clips and everything. And you're gonna come down here, you're gonna see like this new layer, new item thing. You're gonna click it and you're gonna choose adjustment layer. Make sure that it has the same dimensions as your video and click OK and just drag it and drop it over your clip. Now we can bring the same LUT that we used on the previous video. You'll see it looks crappy, I know, but there are some adjustments that we have to do. So you can go back into your clip and adjust everything. Okay, so I fixed the main video. Now I'm gonna come back to the adjustment layer where I've put the LUT and I'm gonna decrease the intensity. I don't think it looks the same. Okay, that's basically it. I'm not gonna touch anything anymore. I think this is it. It looks good. Let's see the before and after. Okay, definitely changed. I don't think it looks the same. It's a different lighting condition, but this is a perfect example of shooting log and having a regular video, which we call Rec 709. That's a quick info for you newbies out there. And so I'm happy with everything. This looks good for me. I hope I didn't take too much of your time, but I do some projects and I understand that we need to be fast in our workflow. So having some small presets that you do will help a lot, decreasing your work time and, you know, presenting your work faster. Now this is not an in in-depth look at color grading, there's a whole step to it that you have to, understand scopes and colors and many shitty things. No, to be honest, I like color grading. It's a whole lot different than doing this technique. So if you want to see a more in-depth video of color grading, let me know in the comments down below. So if you found this useful, I'd appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. It helps me a lot. And maybe you could share the video to some of your friends who you think they might need this type of thing. And I'll be doing a lot more of these videos, like some quick edits in Premiere. Maybe I'll introduce some new softwares really soon, but for now we'll stay on Premiere, and I'll try to deliver a lot of content for you guys really soon. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to scroll down right now and go to that red subscribe button. Hit it and then click the notification bell, have it on all notifications. That way you'll know when I upload a new video. Stay tuned for some new upcoming content this year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.